Hello, Road Rush Nation. We're going to talk about luggage. It's that time of year you're planning your trips, and I'm going to talk to you about the best options for your Harley luggage and what I use that is a game changer. So come along and check it out. So I'm making plans for all the trips we're going to take on the bikes this year, and I wanted to pull out all the luggage and show you what options are out there, or what options we've tried, I should say, and what really works the best and is amazing. And yeah, you do see one with a roller bag. Hint, hint, that's the one you're going to want to hang on and see about because it's amazing. Game changer. But what I wanted to show you is kind of the evolution of bags that I've had. This setup here is an older, and you'll see it says tea bag. I've used them for years, but it's really a tall bag setup. It's great, you know, it's got all the pockets, but you're strapping it all down all the time. The only bad thing about this bag setup is it does catch a lot of wind off the back of your bike. You can pack a lot of stuff in it, that's for sure. But, and you'll see this one comes off the top. So if you just wanted to use this small bag for maybe a daily little ride, a small ride to put some stuff in, these are great. And there's a lot of different styles of these out there that you can pick from. The other thing that I use for daily, so I'm gonna grab it over here, is the awesome Harley backpack. Now what's great about this bag is it's a backpack and the straps will come out of the back here, but it also will strap to the back of your seats. I use this a lot when I'm working. When I have to commute back and forth to work, I can put my, oh, don't mind Mickey Mouse in there. I can put my laptop in here and anything else. It's really big. They're a little pricey. This is a Harley one. I've had it for a few years. You can always tell by the faded look on these. And these are fantastic. If you're doing an overnight or just a couple days, you can shove a lot of stuff in here. It does have a weatherproofing bag that you can put over it. So if you're in bad weather, it'll protect all your stuff. I love this bag. I will even I will take it with us when we go on our trips, just in case you needed like a day bag and you had stuff that you wanted to carry around. These are great. They are, like I said, they are a little pricey, but there's other designs and stuff out here. But this is the Harley one. It's got the reflective piping on it, so which is really nice. And like I said, it does have a weatherproof bag. Now, when we're just going out, and I'm grabbing another one here, when we're just going out for a day and I need something to carry maybe our water or film equipment, and I don't want to put it in the saddlebags because it's just not, I just don't want to put it in there. I've got a lot, maybe I've got my rain gear and other things, then I'll use, this is a new Harley design of the barrel bags that you can put on the back of your seat. Now, I don't carry a passenger, so this is my passenger. So it's got the straps that'll go across your seat or your backrest and straps it down. It has the reflective piping on it. There is quite a bit of room in here. I we'll keep a small ice chest in here. I don't think there's anything in there right now because you never know. I pack a lot of stuff in these things. And you'll see that you can, you've got a couple little pockets. These are great. It does have a rainproof cover, which is also awesome. Now let's get to the serious stuff. When we're going on a long trip on the bikes, I want to show you the bags I take. I take this one, and yes, it's got wheels. It is a roller bag, and I'm going to show you this setup here in a minute, and it's freaking amazing. And then I use this also as a duffel bag that KURYAKYN makes. What's great about this is it rolls down. So no matter how much stuff you put in it or how little, you can strap this on your seat, your back seat, and it's fantastic. It's got a zipper down at the bottom, which you'll see all my stuff here, that I will slide like shoes in, You can just, you know, for smaller stuff, you can put your shoes in there. You've got all your straps here. You've got extra zippers. And it's just big and wide open. So usually, what I do with this bag is we'll put, maybe I have a drone I'm taking, or our heavy leather jackets, and maybe you don't want to, you know, if you're riding across country, you'll hit spots where you're going, I don't need my big heavy jacket, but I need something right now, but you need access to it, I'll use this. So this is kind of, Aaron will put his extra stuff in it that doesn't necessarily fit in his bags, because he will just do the tour pack plus the 2 side bags for his things. So this is great. And if you're just, and what's nice too is it comes with straps. So when you're carrying it into the hotel, you'll see you've got straps that you can just strap it over, put it over your shoulder and drag it in. And this bag is fantastic. It does have a rain cover. It's KURYAKYN, and I have been really glad I bought this bag, because this is my additional bag when we need some extra room. But this one here is the piece de resistance. I'm going to show you why. This bad boy right here, yeah, it's rolling, guys. It's rolling, and I've got all this room. It says tea bag on it. Don't notice that, because that's not really the secret to this bag. It looks like a regular roller bag. Here's what's the piece that is awesome. See this assembly on the back? This is done by, let me get the picture here, RickRak. All right, this system is amazing, and you'll see mine's really dirty because I've had this going on 5 years. This bad boy connects to my luggage rack on the back of my bike. These are made for your street glides plus your touring bikes. It has a little bit different assembly for the touring bikes because it'll go up on the tour pack. This is fantastic. So what I'm going to do right now is I want to take us out to the bike, and I'm going to show you how this sucker goes on. No strapping down, people. No strapping down. This just, excuse my little tail there. This just straps down to the bottom, on the bottom there of your luggage rack. You don't have to put any straps. I lock it down. It's fantastic. And when we go to the, we're at the hotels, and it takes me like 2 seconds to undo this bad boy, and I'm rolling my stuff in. It's amazing how many people go, wait, you have a roller bag? How the heck? So let me take a quick pause, and we're gonna go out to the bike, and I'm gonna show you how this sucker works. You will love it, and don't worry, there will be a link to this. And if you're going to any of the bike rallies back, Daytona Beach, Myrtle Beach area, you'll look for RickRak. They will be there, and they're an amazing company. I've bought a few products from them and love them. So hang on, let's go check it out on the bike. All right, so let me show you how this bad boy connects up on there. So what you're going to do, the bars in the back are lined up. That's usually the trickiest part. Boom, tighten up the front. You're going to tighten up these here. And then the other thing you're going to do, what I do is there's a spot where you can put a lock on here, and that's it. Your bag is on. It's not going anywhere. You don't have to worry about your bag moving at all. There's no extra straps you need unless you want to put some on. It's not necessary. I've been on this. We mentioned I might be a little bit of a speed demon. Let's just say in triple digits, I've never had a problem with it. I won't change for any other luggage system than the RickRak system. They offer just the bracket. If you want just the bracket, you can put that on your luggage. If you have something existing, they'll give you the dimensions on their website, but they have the complete set where they have a bag and they have the bars, the luggage system. This is fantastic. It's a game changer. I don't know how many times I've gone on trips and somebody will see me just boom, 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 take it off. I unlock here. Now I do put little locks on all my zippers. That's just because when you stop someplace, it's security to me, not really, but it does. And it also keeps your zippers from, if they ever the wind kind of catches something, it'll start pulling them open. You get those cheapy ones from the Target, Walmart, in the luggage area, and I put those on here too. It's got a rain cover, so you don't have to worry about it. I have been in torrential downpours, and my stuff has never gotten wet. But when we get to a hotel, and I take like 2 minutes to take my stuff off, it's fantastic. People just turn around. We've been in elevators, and these guys are going, "Did you have that rolling luggage on your bike?" And I'm all like, "Yeah, it's by RickRak." This is a game changer. This is the best luggage system you could have for your Harley touring bike. There will be a link in the description, so check them out. You will not regret it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because we've got other items coming up, other accessories we're still adding. We've got that garage door opener. I keep teasing you with that, but it is coming. We only taken the fairing off once on my bike, so all the stuff that we have to do under the fairing, we're doing it once, so I'm doing all the other stuff. But this, you're going to want to order your luggage from RickRak.
Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.